Brain. Wash. Brainwash? Brainwash. Changing the way someone thinks. Butter. Finger. Butterfinger? Butterfinger. Someone who is really clumsy. Belly. Button. Bellybutton? Bellybutton. The mark left after birth. Dog. House. Doghouse? Doghouse. A little house for dogs. Humming. Bird. Hummingbird? Hummingbird. A bird that hovers while feeding. Brain. Child. Brainchild? Brainchild. An idea someone invented. Lady. Finger. Ladyfinger? Ladyfinger. A soft finger-shaped cake. Belly. Ache. Belly ache? Belly ache. Pain in your stomach. Fire. Brand. Firebrand? Firebrand. Someone who strongly pushes change. Water. Wheel. Water wheel? Water wheel. A wheel turned by flowing water. Honey. Suckle. Honeysuckle? Honeysuckle. A sweet-smelling flowering vine. Brain. Wave. Brainwave? Brainwave. A smart idea that appears suddenly. Thunder. Bolt. Thunderbolt? Thunderbolt. A sudden strike of lightning. Butter. Bean. Butterbean? Butterbean. A large soft bean people eat. Moon. Seed. Moonseed? Moonseed. A vine with interesting seeds. Water. Bug. Waterbug? Waterbug. A bug that lives around water. Dragon. Head. Dragonhead? Dragonhead. A plant with unusual flowers. Wind. Flower. Windflower? Windflower. A beautiful flower that grows wild. Dog. Sled. Dog sled? Dog sled. A sled moved by dogs. Moon. Wart. Moonwort? Moonwort. A rare plant related to ferns.